Alright, hello. I'm now recording four practicals that is in the revision sheet for Unit 3 classification of chemical reactions test. This is the first one. Now I've got magnesium piece here. And if you read the task sheet, it said something about, it had a metallic luster, but then if it was burnt over Bunsen burner, it produced a bright light. And once it's done, it left the white powder. Yeah, it is a bit crumbly, and yeah, it will crumble if I touch it. It's got some unburned part, but the reaction has occurred with a lot of light coming off. Right. Now, from that reaction that you just saw, you need to figure out what were the reactants. Well, you know what was used here, magnesium. Magnesium was definitely part of the reaction. Because it caught on fire and it was burning. So the burning in chemistry, hope you're thinking about oxygen, because when you burn something, you are oxidizing something. A lot of the cases, especially with things burning. So oxygen being another reactant. When the reaction happens, during the reaction, a lot of light, which is energy, coming out. So that's a exothermic as well. A lot of heat also came out as well. So it's definitely exothermic reaction. After the reaction, what was left? Well, that white powder that I was talking about, that's the only thing that was left. Well, from magnesium and oxygen, what can you make? Well, this white powder, what do you think this was? And then finally, you need to look at the list of classifications that were given and classify this reaction. So knowing what reactants and products there were, you classify the reaction as well. Alright, this was station number 1.